Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play When It's Love on piano. First, familiarize yourself with the sheet music, paying close attention to the key of C major and a 4/4 time signature. This foundation is crucial for accurate playing. Next, focus on the opening melody, which is quite memorable. We'll break down the initial chord progressions, ensuring your left hand supports the right hand melody smoothly. This step-by-step approach will build your confidence. Now, let's dive into the core chords. You'll primarily use C major, G major, a minor, and F major. Practice transitioning between these four chords until they feel natural. For the melody, focus on the first 8 measures, ensuring your fingerings are efficient and smooth. Once comfortable, try playing both hands together at a very slow tempo. This helps to coordinate your movements and build muscle memory effectively. Rhythm is key to bringing When It's Love to life. Use a metronome to maintain a consistent tempo, perhaps starting at 60 beats per minute and gradually increasing. Pay attention to the song's dynamics. Crescendos and diminuendos add emotional depth. For example, a gentle touch on the sustain pedal can enhance the lyrical quality of certain phrases. Remember, expressive playing makes the music truly sing. Consistent practice is your best friend. Aim for short, focused sessions, maybe 15 minutes each day, rather than one long session weekly. Recording yourself can provide valuable insights, helping you pinpoint areas for improvement in rhythm or dynamics. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be playing When It's Love beautifully and confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.